What are you doing, Shelley?
I'm hungry and I want something to eat, and I'm trying to figure out what I can fix.
Awesome. I got some great ideas here. How about some diced tomatoes? No? Okay. How about some oyster crackers?
No.
With peanut butter?
No.
No? How about, oh, I know, tuna.
Not on its own.
All right. Then the only thing I can tell you to do is get on your computer and just try to see if you can find some cool cooking recipes, videos. I'll even go get the computer for you. Hang on. Here, you can find yourself something to eat right there, I'm sure. There's plenty of great YouTube channels out there that have awesome cooking videos. I hope.
Hey, have you seen this one? This is Ace and Amanda from Two Doves Nation. They made a Mexican corn on the cob. That looks really good.
But we don't have any corn. We don't have any fresh vegetables. We don't even have any cheese. Because I used all the cheese on my lasagna.
Hi everyone, we're still here in Vegas, but we are bringing a special recipe to you.
Mexican quarantine. This is Ace.
And I'm Amanda.
Together, we are Two Dove Nation. We have a special guest that's gonna be tasting our corn from a distance. You are my friend. So let's get started.
Super easy, it doesn't take a lot of ingredients. First, of course, you need corn. I like to grill the corn. Guess what? We don't have a grill. We're going with what we have, and we're gonna roast it in the oven. You're gonna need mayonnaise, queso fresco, or whatever type of Mexican cheese you like. You are gonna need either some chili powder or what we call tajin. Tajin is a Mexican spice with lime flavor in it. But first, we gotta cook the corn.
So what we start with first?
I've already got the oven preheating to 400 degrees, and then we're going to finish cleaning this corn and stick it in the oven. The corn is gonna cook in the oven for about 20 minutes.
Super easy. Anybody could do it, even my wife.
The corn is all cleaned. I actually got this recipe from a friend that I used to work with. She brought in some Mexican corn and I absolutely loved it, and she showed me how she made it. I'm just gonna sit the corn right on the oven rack. And I'm gonna put a pan underneath just to catch any drips. So now we just have to wait. I'm gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes and flip it and see how it's going, and then we'll see how long it takes to get these puppies cooked. It's time to check on the corn and flip it. I might want to cook it a little bit more than 20 minutes this time. Queso fresco comes in a block, and it's kind of has a similar texture of feta cheese. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the container and break it all up. Just take your fork and break it up. This is what you want it to look like. You want it to be a little bit more fine. I've got a few more lumps in there that I need to get out. The corn is ready, so we're going to take it out and let it cool for a little bit, and then we're going to put all the goodness on it. I'm just going to use my drip pan to put the corn on. The reason you want to let it cool is because you're putting mayonnaise on top of it. Super hot mayonnaise is kind of weird to me, so I don't really care for that. Just let them cool off a little bit, and then we'll put the mayonnaise and cheese and other stuff on it. I let the corn cool for about 10-15 minutes, but I want to maintain good hand hygiene, so wash your hands. I have mayonnaise in a little cup right here. I take a pastry brush and brush it on. You'll probably use about 1/3 to 1/2 of a cup of mayonnaise. And I'm just going to do one side and then turn them all and do the other side. Before I turn them over, I'm going to put the cheese on. Your hands are your best tools sometimes. Then I'm going to take my tahini or your chili powder and go ahead and sprinkle it on this side. And we're going to turn them over and do the same thing. This is the finished product, but Mike and Shelly from Our Epic RV Adventure get to tell us how they like it.
Wow. Ace and Amanda, thank you so much.
Where did that come from?
Michael, look, Ace and Amanda from Two Doves Nation. They made us corn on the cob. It's Mexican corn on the cob.
How do they get us food during a quarantine? Oh wait, is that quarantine Mexican corn?
Oh no. I just realized I'm gonna have quarantine without you.
Social distancing.
I think I'm just gonna have to try it.
Okay, go for it.
Mmm. That is amazing. That is really good. Ace and Amanda, thank you so much. This is absolutely delicious. It is so crunchy and flavorful. And that Mexican cheese on top, I've never had that before that I know of. It's kind of a cross between a Parmesan and I don't know. I'm just going with it. Okay, it's really good.
Thank you, Michael and Shelly. It looks yummy. Let's try it.
Nice. I'm just going at it.
Wow, really?
It worked. Thanks, guys. Thank you for the quarantine, Mike and Shelly. We appreciate it. It was yummy.
Delicious.
We're gonna pass it back to you.
How did they get that to us?
They emailed us, of course.
Oh, cool. Trying to maintain the distance from the quarantine Mexican corn.
Exactly. Mmm. It was really good.
Is it good? It looks good. It smells good.
Thank you so much, Ace and Amanda.
Thanks, Ace and Amanda. Really appreciate it. And those of you who think this looks good and want to try it on your own, go check out Two Doves Nation's video on how to make this. There's a link maybe up above if I can figure that out. There'll definitely be a link in the description. If you don't follow Two Dove Nations, you really need to go check them out. They're a great channel. Ace and Amanda are great people. They travel the world in their casita travel trailer. There's a link to their channel below as well.
They've traveled the world.
They travel the world.
And not in their casita.
That's true. They travel the world, but not in their casita. So they travel the world, comma, and have a casita, travel trailer. And so please check them out. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing it. Just hit that red subscribe button down below. And right next to that, ring that notification bell. Make sure you select all. That way you'll know when we post new videos and do live streams. We do live streams every Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern. Come have dinner with us on Sunday dinner at 8 p.m. Eastern. Watch, we drop videos all the time, at least once a week. And also give us a thumbs up on this video. And give us a good comment below. And go over to Two Doves Nations and check out their video on this as well to see exactly how all of this wonderful craziness happened. And we hope to see you down the road. Bye, everybody.
Goodbye.